I will explain how to check if a binary tree is a binary search tree or VST. A BST follows one simple rule. For every node, all values on the left are smaller and all values on the right are larger. To verify this, we use a recursive approach. Instead of just comparing node to its immediate children, we keep track of the range of values each node is allowed to have. At the start, the range is from negative infinity to positive infinity. We go left. When we go left, the upper limit becomes the current node's value. When we go right, the lower limit goes or becomes the current node's value. If any node falls outside its allowed range, the tree is not a VST. This method works because it ensures that every node respects all the rules from its ancestors, not just its parent. So if a value deep in the tree violates the BST property, we catch it immediately. In terms of time complexity, this method is ON because we visit each node once. Uh, of course, it also includes edge cases that an empty tree or a single node is always a valid BST. So to sum up, we validate a BST by recursively checking each node against a range of allowed values. This method is simple, efficient, and reliable. Thank you.